Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about the CSS icons. So basically how to add icons to your web page so it will be displayed on your web page. So simplest way to add an icon to your HTML page is with the icon library. So there are multiple icon libraries. You can search on the Google. So the two icon libraries that we are going to cover in this video is Bootstrap and Google icons. So to use the Bootstrap, you need to add this link tag and this particular href to your HTML page. And to make use of Google icons, you need to add this particular href link to your web page. So let's first understand the Bootstrap, then we will see the Google icons. So this is my icon.html file. So let's first create a HTML template. So here I have created the HTML template. Now let's say we want to add the Bootstrap. So this was the link that was in the presentation for the Bootstrap. So you will be able to get this link on the Google, or I will provide this link in the description box. So here I have provided the link. So let's add the class for it or the icons for it. So let's first understand what are the different type of icons available in the Bootstrap. So let's say here I will provide Bootstrap icons, and here you can see in Bootstrap W3 schools, here you will see the list of Bootstrap. So let's say these are the different symbols available here and you want to make use of this. Let's say I want to have this envelope symbol, so I will copy this value and I need to paste it here inside my body tag. You need to make use of I tag, and here you need to provide the class, and inside this class you need to paste that particular value. So once I provide the value, I will open this in browser. So let me increase the size here. So see, you are able to see this symbol that is available here. Let's add one more symbol. Let's say I want to add the star symbol here, which is, this is the value for it. Copy this value and paste it here. I need to provide the class, save it, refresh the browser. So see, you are able to get the symbol here. So in this way you can add the symbols using the Bootstrap. Also another one was the Google one. So to copy the Google icons, you need to copy this particular statement here, which is for the material icons link. So I will replace this Bootstrap with the Google icons. Let me remove this, and now you can see what are the different values available for the Google icons. So you can see here Google, icons, you can see material icons, and you can search here whatever icons you want. Let's say I want the icon for home. So once you click on home, you will be able to see the different icons available here. So let's say I want to add this particular icon here. So the name of this icon is home. So how I can add this? So I have already added the link here, and here you need to add I tag, and inside this you need to say the name of icon that you want to add, home, and here you need to provide class, and class will be, and class for the Google icon is always the material icons that are available here. So you need to provide it here, material icons. Let's save this, open in browser. So we are getting here the name displayed, right? So why we are getting a name displayed? Because we have provided here in capital letters, material icons is the name, and here you can provide in small letters. Let me check here. See, so you need to provide the name in small letters, and the class is always material icons. Let's copy this statement and add more icons here. So let's say you want to add icon here. Let's add window icon. So window, so you just need to rename this one window, refresh the web page here. So you are able to get the value for window icon. So what more you can do here, let's say you have the heading here, h1 heading, h1, and here you have the heading home, and you want to display that particular icon here. So what you can do, you can copy this statement and you can paste it here inside the h1 tag, and if you try to refresh the page now, so see you are getting your home. Let me reduce the size here. So you are able to get the home symbol for the home heading. So in similar way you can add another tags here and you can make use of these icons. So there are multiple icons available, you can see here, and you need to just add that particular icon inside the material icon class. So this was all about the icons. We will see another topics of CSS in next video. Thank you for watching.